Kellogg was performing better already. My point is,
to me, I said last night on CNBC that J&J is actually a magnificent split up because the consumer product business is on fire. And the problem with some of these others is that they're dumping. You're getting some real bad stuff. Pfizer gave you some real bad stuff.
What, Haleon? You didn't like that?
Haleon?
Yeah.
That was like the Patriots last night. It's like, wow. I mean, sacked. Haleon was sacked by a not even good team.
It happens.
Yep. That was rough about halfway through. Coke, Jim, I know you've been looking forward to this one. Beats by a nickel. Organic up 16. Street was pretty much in the 10% range.
People are going out more. That's good for Coca-Cola. What's interesting for Coca-Cola, I find, I hope that we would get some sort of break in inflation. No break in inflation. They locked in some prices earlier in the year. And people think that, don't forget, they have international business, and they're buying some of the raw costs with weaker currencies. Now, look, Zero's doing great. Diet Coke, Zero's really good, double digit. Diet Coke's doing good. They are taking some share, but they're not taking a huge amount of share. It was just a good quarter, a solid good quarter that we've been getting over and over from James Quincy. And I think this is the quarter where people are going to say, you know what? Let's take it to the 60s. If we really do have a slowdown, this is the one. I really like it. Well, look, PepsiCo is really great. Travel helps them. I am now just thinking all the time, if travel is involved, witness aerospace and GE, witness when we get to Hayes.
To Raytheon.
Pratt.
You just see there's travel. And if travel's, I think Marriott, there's a lot of companies involved with travel that are doing very well.
JetBlue today was a miss. RASM basically in line with the guide. Not as strong as Delta and United.
They were disappointing. I was surprised at that. I think that Delta's quarter was amazing. That U-Haul's quarter was incredible. But look, those companies just need more planes. I'm not sure, David, what JetBlue.
RASM is revenue per average seat mile, correct?
Available seat mile.
Available seat mile.
Which is up 24% since 19.
But Bryce Harper has about, he's doing $40 per RASM.
Bryce Harper is worth that money.
He is Mr. RASM. I mean, RASM is a great indicator. The problem
is that going to be every day now?
Of course.
We're going to get a Phillies
until
reference?
next Tuesday, when if they've lost Game 4 on Tuesday, by Wednesday tickets will be worthless.
Okay.
But can I just say that one of the greatest themes of this quarter is really surprising people, which is people are not buying things. I mean, I had Macy's. I thought they did well, Jeff Gannett, but they just want to go away. And it's my new theory. It's like I lived, so I travel.
That's interesting. We're going to talk about UPS in a second, but they reiterate the guidance. Brian Cornell, not too long ago, said people still want to celebrate the holidays.
They do.
Brian Moynihan. I mean, holidays. We've not gotten major warnings on holidays.
I mean, if you're not, if you're alive, you want to buy. But I just think that people just say, you know what? I want to see the world, or I want to go to a wedding. I mean, how many weddings have you gone to?
Not very many.
I got a bris.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Out of town.
Mazel tov.
I don't know. Isn't it really more?
It's not your own, though.
Isn't it more for family?
Okay. As long as yes. I don't travel for those.
Well, congratulations, Eddie. Yeah. To Bo, friend of mine's kid.
Wonderful.
All my friends are becoming grandfathers.
Wow.
I cannot believe it.
Well, someone pointed out this morning that babies who were born the year Seinfeld premiered are now as old as Costanza was in Seinfeld.
That's horrible.
That is horrible.
If you believe Costanza was in his mid-30s, let's say.
What was that, 1988? Was that the
89.
first year?
He's from Livingston, New Jersey. A little-known fact.
Jason Alexander?
Yeah.
Not George Costanza, because George Costanza is not from Livingston, New Jersey.
But, I still have a Vandalay Industries card.
As you should.
When he worked there. Now,
a wonderful company. Wonderful.
Just talk about GM for a second. Okay, so GM is the kind of thing. I listen to Mary, whom I really like. And in this muted market with the futures down, it suddenly makes it so the stock's not up to 2 that I think it deserves to be up, because the futures cast a pall on things. But then as you go through the quarters, you realize, wow, you're buying these companies at a very cheap price. So I am urging people not to sell because a stock didn't go up enough to start, because there's so many companies doing so well. It's incredible.